Hey guys, so I'm gonna make this video really quick. Don't mind any of my hair or things in the background, but my package just got here. All I know is one of my pad or tampon samples, so I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna try to put you guys down here so you guys could see me opening the package. So. I did put a piece of paper so you guys can see my address. I didn't cut it right. I'm going to cover up the address thing because I can't get through it. Oh yeah, I knew it. So it is the Tena, and I did wake up this morning trying to wait for it because they said 3 to 5 business. So it just has, it looks like this when you open it. It just looks like this on the back. And it says subscribe, 10 website. Yeah, it just has all this. That was at the bottom. And then a letter from me. It says, Dear Guadalupe, thanks for your interest in Tena, proven personal care system that offers fearless protection for the unexpected leak. We've enclosed the samples your request along the educational brochure. So yeah, it says thanks again, yours truly, Mary Pauls. And it just shows all those. It's just a letter they sent me. And then the actual box. So I'm just gonna. So I got the headaches. So the first thing I see on top is the Tena overnight pads. These look pretty big. Oh, whoa. I didn't think they would be this big, but it's just in case. Like, we get a leak. So that was the first thing on the top. I'm just gonna put that head down. The next on one side with the Tena heavy pads along. I'm just gonna put that in. And then under that, oops, I pulled out the cardstock. There it is. Is the Insta dry pads, like that. This is just pads, but these are pretty thick. This may feel like a diaper, so I'm just gonna put them on like overnight, even if they're not long enough. And then on the other side there's Tena Ultimate Pads regular. So I noticed these are like if you pee yourself. because they're really long. Okay. So that's what I'm thinking. And then I have the Tuna Heavy Instant Pants. And just Lady Maxi. So these are the Maxis, obviously. That's everything that came in the box. Well, not in the box, not everything. So in there, and we're just gonna find coupon safe doors on any one in a woman's products. So, such as then on the back, and then it has keep carrying of her Playmates, and it just has their products like the liners, the ultra thins, the pads, the instant dry pads, the securing pads, and then more pads, and then the overnights. So it just has this. Oh, so it's super long, and then on the back. I'm probably just gonna buy some light pants, cause there, and some liners, probably. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment below, and subscribe. Bye.